include the following counties in Georgia: Fanning, Dawson, Franklin, Habersham, Hall, Hart, Lumpkin, Pickens, Stevens, and White. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damage winds in and close to the watch area. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Listen for later statements and possible warnings. Weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the official forecast from your